2017 eating chicken. 2017 Nissan Rogue all-wheel drive sport. High beams, really nice Nissan. All the way from Pennsylvania. So we appreciate him coming down. What we got done on this beast: factory converter, 2-inch pipe. Then he brought his own Flowmaster knockoff Super 10. Amazon special. Exhaust mufflers. Not even muffler. But it's only one muffler. But exhaust mufflers. Here's the part number. So it's an Amazon special. We'll see if we can get you a link in the description for it, guys. Here's the muffler. Then 2.5-inch pipe out the back. Dumb. Because, you know, why not? We just do these things. Anything and everything. Whatever the customer wants, we say, we got you. We'll do it. So there it is on the Nissan Rogue Sport. And there's the giant stock muffler that was on it. We took it off. And there's the intermediate pipe and the resonator was taken off. We took all that off, as you guys can see. And replaced it a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. That's not bad. Oh wow, it's not raspy.
I like that.
It's not your average Rogue, that's for sure. Sound decibels? 103, dude.
Pretty good.
That's awesome. Again? You know, because he did it 2.5. That was smart.
I want that girthier smell, that sound.
Yeah.
You know?
The bigger you go, the deeper the sound becomes.
It's only a 4-cylinder, but you know,
Yeah.
I want to make it sound like a V6.
Good looking car. I like it. Nissan Rogue Sport 4x4. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. You guys think you're cool, okay? You're not this guy cool when you have this. Go ahead. Nissan Power! Here you go. Good. Nissan Power! Here we go. Nissan Rogue Sport Mode. This sounds good. 4-cylinder. Enjoy, guys.